Hi, ask Dr. Lala on TikTok. So, pag-usapan naman natin kung ano ang remedy doon sa mga mababaho ang kilikili. But first and foremost, kailangan malaman nyo rin ang cause kung bakit nagkakaamoy doon sa ating kilikili. Okay, meron po kasing bacteria na present na sa ating skin. So, when we sweat or pag pinapawisan tayo, it breaks down the protein and then creates this acid na nagkakaroon ng amoy. Yun po yung bad odor. So, what are the home remedies na pwede nating gamitin para sa mabahong kilikili? Okay, let's go with the first one. Yung unang-una natin is get 2 tablespoons of rock salt and ilagay nyo sa warm water. 1 bucket of warm water, hahaluin nyo po yon. After nyo mahalo at ma-dissolve yung salt, pwede nyo po siyang ipang-banlaw. Okay? Kung gusto nyo pong matanggal afterwards, manlawan nyo ulit ng warm water and then you pat it dry. Kasi alam natin that salt can eliminate bad odor and bad bacteria. Number 2, you use 1 cup of apple cider vinegar and then 1/2 cup of warm water. You put it in a spray bottle, okay? Then you shake nyo po and then saka nyo i-spray sa inyong kilikili. Leave it overnight. And then, when you wake up in the morning, wash it with warm water. Okay, number 3, potato. Potato talaga, maganda rin siya sa pampaputi ng kilikili, but potato has also this enzyme na nakakatulong sa pagtanggal ng bad body odor. So, what you do is you will cut the potato into half and then yung mismong ipapahid ninyo sa kilikili nyo. Wait 30 minutes, ililive on nyo for 30 minutes and then rinse with warm water and then pat dry. Number 4, baking soda plus calamansi. 1 tablespoon of baking soda plus 1 tablespoon of calamansi, imimix ninyo yon, parang gagawa kayo ng paste, ipapahid nyo sa kilikili, leave on for 10 minutes and then afterwards, you rinse it with warm water and then you pat it dry. Okay. Last but not the least is the tomato juice. Tomato juice, yung simple lang na tomato juice, nakakabili tayo in the market. Ibababad nyo lang po ito ng 10 minutes on both underarms and then you rinse and pat dry. So, ito po yung mga home remedies na pwede nating i-take para mawala yung ating body odor. So, thank you so much. Follow and like for more health tips. Thank you.